here I have got some Irish moss, which I have rinsed really well under the tap and through the sieve. So I fill a bowl of water first and soak it in there as I'm massaging it. So you get your hand in there and you massage it away like that in the water, and that actually helps to wash any sand and debris off it. And at the same time it's actually rehydrating it, so it's not so dry and it gets bigger. So when you buy Irish moss, this is not the white, this is the red Irish moss, which has actually got more nutrients in it than the white, which we can't really get very easily here in the UK. It goes a beautiful pinky red colour, as you can see when it's rehydrated, and it just feels wonderful. And now this is used as a stabiliser in cakes, pies, mousses, smoothies. It works as a thickener. Now this is a mucilaginous plant, sea vegetable, and it's really good for the gut. So adding a little bit every now and again, or every week, every day, even if you've got really bad gut problems, is probably a good thing for you. And once we've rinsed it, it's also really high in iodine, so really great for the thyroid. For those of us that have got issues, well, everybody really needs to take iodine because it helps to combat our daily pollutants that hit us from every direction, no matter how clean our diet is. And many other things. So do the research on Irish moss, and don't be scared by some of the scaremongering that has been going on about carrageenan, which is another name for Irish moss, but carrageenan that is used in processed food products is actually an extract. It's not the whole plant like this is. It's been highly processed, and that's where the issue lies. It's not within the high raw plant, whole plant based version of it, Irish moss. So please don't be in fear by the scaremongering of the Irish moss carrageenan health scandal that is in the news recently. So what we're doing now is we're going to put this into a container that has got a cup of water in it, and then we're going to just leave that in the fridge. And this will stay in the fridge now until tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm going to make a paste with it by blending it up in the blender. It only needs a small amount of water, and that's just to keep it hydrating. The white Irish moss takes a lot more water than this does, and it swells up a lot more, and it looks very different to this one. I actually like the white Irish moss, and it doesn't leave any bits in the mixture. This one can be a little bit bitty, but it still does a damn good job. So there, a little bit of information about Irish moss and how I use it.